So, in today's menu we have an oily sauce, chimichurri sauce. For chimichurri we need, of course, olive oil, half a red onion, fresh mint, fresh dill, 1 red chili, 1.5, 1 big and 1 small one, these 1 clove garlics. Then for seasoning, dried oregano, salt and black pepper, and some jar to put it in. So it's quite simple. Sorry, we forgot these: red wine vinegar and white wine vinegar, just a little bit of both to give some acid to our chimichurri. I'm starting to laugh by myself for this pronouncing. Chimichurri, 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 chimichurri. Little pieces. You don't have to use red onion if you don't like to. I usually actually make chimichurri without red onion, but I decided to test this time with red onion. I believe it's quite good. Many chimichurri recipes include this red onion, so I like to test it myself. Then red chili, then garlic, actually we won't cut this garlic with knife, we will grate this. This is kind of a quick way to make sure that garlic spreads all over the chimichurri. You can put it in knife pieces, knife cutting pieces, how do you say it? But I like to grate this. So it's minced garlic, then these herbs. This is fresh dill. Sometimes I use also cilantro, mint, parsley. This time we use, quite surprisingly, dill. It's not the usual herb to put it in this chimichurri, but today we tried also. It's incredible how I keep forgetting these ingredients, but of course I was planning to put also parsley here, so let's put this also. I think parsley is usually on chimichurri. It's from South America, I believe. Is it Argentinian or from Uruguay? I'm not quite sure. I believe Argentinian. Argentinian. My pronouncing is sometimes so miraculous. There. a bit of a mess, but let's not let it bother us. Now we put it all into this jar. Maybe you can do a little bit more smaller pieces of this all. But I think we'll manage with this. Then dried oregano, salt and black pepper also. And of course you can try many variations of this. This is just one. I don't know what is the most original or traditional, but I haven't made bad chimichurri. So I think it's fair to say that if you used almost this kind of recipe, you will succeed. White wine vinegar, slurps, and red wine vinegar, slurps. I don't know where the slurps came from. We need lots of olive oil. I think the whole bottle goes there, but this will be pleasure for us for a long time. Then just mix it well. And we got ourselves some delicious chimichurri. I believe this is good. Let's take a little closer look. So here we are, quite oily, tasty, herb rich chimichurri. Like I said, you can use a little bit smaller pieces. So, here is our ready chimichurri sauce. It's oily and it's delicious. And I think today we are going to feast it with roast beef. I'll make another video of that roast beef and link it somewhere down there or up there or someplace you can check it out. Let's try how this works with delicious beef. I know it works. It had worked so many times before. Now we will put it on the fridge just to cool down and take some flavors with it. Thank you, and we'll see you in next video.